In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel order in Grab. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Grab application. You can see over here Grab application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to cancel your order, it is actually very simple. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option activity that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be led to the My Activity interface. You'll be able to see all the active orders over here. What you have to do is select the active order that you wish to cancel. Right now I do not have any active orders. But if you have the active order, you'll be able to select it. After you select the active order, what you have to do is simply tap on the order ID. After that, you'll be able to find the cancellation button. If your order is eligible for cancellation, you'll be able to find the option for cancel order. Simply tap on it. You'll also have to choose a reason for cancellation. After you do that, your order will be cancelled. Both you and the driver will automatically be notified of the cancellation. Keep in mind, self-pickup, scheduled or already shipped orders may not be cancelable through the apps. In some cases, you may need to contact the Grab support or the driver directly to cancel. So that is how you cancel order in Grab. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.